Are you having issue with your S Empire crypto airdrop? In this video, I will be teaching you to fix all the issue you are having with your S Empire. So you'll be able to claim your coin, your tokens from S Empire, and you turn it to money on your Bybit, on your Binance account. Welcome to Ether Airdrop. This channel will discuss about cryptocurrency and latest airdrop to mine. Also, we are now starting our how to make money online playlist on this channel. So guys, before I continue, give this video a thumb of like, go to that comment section, react on this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe. You can see on my airdrop S Empire dashboard here, I'm having, unfortunately, your activity in the game was not enough to get the tokens. I think this is technical error from S Empire because most of my guys in UK, I have a man in UK who also mine the same airdrop with me, having at least 2.6 million profit per hour. So why is the man activities not enough to claim these tokens from S Empire? So guys, let me teach you how to fix this issue. Just try to close the app from this area. Let me close this S Empire and let's go back to this place. Go to this place, click on the logo of S Empire. After you click on the logo, you're going to be saying build your own S Empire. You're going to be seeing support. Just click on the support. After clicking on support, you're going to click start. After you click on start, you're going to be seeing that welcome to S Empire support. Under the screen here, you're going to be seeing contact and operator. So when you click contact and operator, you're going to be saying, are you having wallet issue? Exchange or wallet is not connecting. App is not loading. I set tokens to charity home. So if you're having same issue with charity home, you can also use this place to solve the issue. So guys, you can now click on another question. After you click on that question, so please describe your question in details using screenshots. Then you go to S Empire back and go and take the screenshots of the issue you're having. For me, I'm having the screenshots on my phone already. I will send the screenshots to the support team for S Empire. Guys, after the end, they're going to help you to fix this issue. If you are okay with this video, you can give this video a thumbs up like, go to that comment section, credit me for this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe.